Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDC from Gemini to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC assets smoothly between exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Uphold. Start by logging into your Gemini account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section to locate your USDC balance. This is where the magic begins. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to your USDC holdings. Gemini might prompt you to verify your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security. Always a good idea in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Now, select Withdraw to External Wallet or something similar, and choose USDC as the asset you're moving. Here's the key part. You'll need to enter your Uphold wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. If you're unsure, hop over to your Uphold account, go to the Assets tab, and copy the USDC wallet address. Back in Gemini, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to account for any network fees, and review the details. Hit Confirm, and follow any on-screen instructions, like entering a withdrawal code sent to your email or phone. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's processed, jump back to Uphold and refresh your dashboard. You should see your USDC arriving shortly. A quick tip. In 2025, always monitor for the latest fees and blockchain updates, as things can change with crypto regulations. That's it for the steps. By following this, you'll have your USDC transferred safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there. See you next time.